Hi, Karen here to answer a Blue Canoe user question, and this is a good one. What about the words order and boarded? What do they have in common? Well, they both have stress on this or sound, order and boarded. The spellings are a little different. This is OR and this is OAR, but they actually represent the same sound in both words. Now, what color is order and what color is boarded? Let's first just experience it from looking at the mouth. Or. So if you're listening carefully and watching as well, you can see that I move from one position into another. Let's go from the back and move our way forward in terms of the sound. So at this portion of the sound, if we move backward, the sound in R, this is the sound in order, you might be hearing a bit of purple. Here's that purple. But it's not a purple word, because if it were, it would be erder and birder. So we know there's another sound just before the purple sound, and that would be the beginning sound. So instead of as purple, we want to pay attention to this part of the sound, order and border. Okay, so now coming over to the color vowel chart, we can look at these sounds in a couple of ways. One is we could go straight to orange door on the chart itself, and that's a very nice sort of helper color vowel that helps us say, okay, all of those words like order, border are orange door words. So if you want to add to your knowledge of the word, think of it as an orange door word. But in Blue Canoe, what we aim to do over and over is to sort of narrow the field to the minimum number of necessary vowels. And so you will see these words coded as rose boat words. And that's not incorrect. Let me show you how. All of these vowel sounds start with the same O position. So whether it's rose, orange, or turquoise, they all start with O. O, or, oi. And you'll see that explained in my video about the O vowels. So look in Blue Canoe or on our YouTube page and you'll see that video. But what we're doing with Blue Canoe then is we actually don't include orange door because rose is sufficient. If you think of border or order as starting with this O position, and instead of it going all the way up as O, we simply use a shortcut or, okay? So order is a rose boat word. That works for us. Rose boat order. So the third word, order, moves over to purple. And similarly, rose boat order, order and border, okay? So if there's a bit of confusion there, it's understandable. In the whole color vowel chart world, we'll refer to those as orange door words, but in Blue Canoe, we make it a little bit simpler and call them rose boat words. Again, just to keep things manageable and simple. So here, I'll mark this as rose for Blue Canoe, rose boat, okay? But also correct is to say that this is an orange door word, an orange word, okay? If in doubt, just pay attention to the first part of my message that these are rose words and you're all set, okay? Be sure you're using your hand because this will help too. You need to spend time in order to make that movement. So order and border, order and border. It's kind of a modified hand. So you can say order and border or order and border to make that movement to purple, okay? Hope this has been helpful and look forward to your questions. Please always send questions to feedback@bluecanoelearning.com. Thanks so much.